my personal thoughts that this course is extremely useful for senior management because through this course they will understand and appreciate the importance of cybersecurity. Yeah. So if you're going to put out any sort of some sort of cybersecurity transformation program, yeah. So I think in terms of budgeting and all this type of stuff, they will be more supportive lah. Yeah. This course is also good for those new starters who has just joined the cybersecurity industry, cybersecurity field, so they will understand the concepts of the cybersecurity.